Quiz. What has two thumbs and loves the story of the sword and the stone? This guy. I loved watching movies and shows about the story, especially ones like this and this. I guess this? No, not this, but especially now, there's many iterations of this story. If it's Excalibur or not, how the sword got in the stone, and sometimes it's in an anvil on a stone. But the story I like is that it's in a stone and it's Excalibur. Now we're going to switch over to a quick video that we recorded earlier today about me making my own sword in stone. Sorry about the video and audio quality, but it was a beautiful sunny day. There was a lot of wind and cars and lawnmowers going by, but here goes. Hey, it's Deranged. Today we're going to be making our very own sword in the stone. I've got the stone that I've dug up, and we're going to be using this sword. Right now it's in anchoring cement, but I don't know how anybody else feels, but I hate the way that looks. So we're going to be taking this sword out of here. We're going to be putting it in this rock. But first we have to free that. To do that, we're going to be using Mr. Sledgehammer. Now, I might be a little goofy, but I'm not an idiot. I'm going to be wearing safety glasses. So we're just going to take this over here, free that up. Now this sword, I cut this out of a piece of I-beam with a cutting torch rather, and I took a MIG welder and I put some designs on here, but it's not practical for home defense, so it's going to become the new lawn ornament. Now to cut into this rock, I'm going to be using a hammer drill with a 1/2-inch bit. And let me set that to hammer drill. So here we go. Choose this spot right here. Alright, I think we've done it. So we've got the hole big enough, and to persuade this guy to get in there, we're going to re-enlist Mr. Sledgehammer. And it's in there pretty good. So here you have it, our very own sword in the stone lawn ornament.